We can handle all online courses: computer science, business math, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied sciences, and many more. We will help you in weekly quizzes, assignments, exams, thesis writing, dissertation writing, Matlab, all courses.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. Number 1, we open the file. Number 2, we select about enable editing in here. And now we start at number 3. For number 3, we need to insert a new worksheet, and that is about this one. So we rename, and that is about drugs. And if necessary, we need to move the drugs. It appears in the worksheet in here. So we have this one, we move at the first one. And now we need to enter the information based on the table in here. We need to apply heading number 1 to the cell style, and that is about cell A1. So we select this one, we go to cell style in here, and we need to find heading number 1. Now we need to merge and center the cell A1 to E1. So A1 to E1, we go to this one in here, merge and center. The next one, we apply heading number 2 for the cell B number 2 in here. And now we need to merge and center cell B2 to E2, B2 to E2 in here. The next one, we need to move the cell B3 to E3. So B3 to E3 in here, and the cell A4 to A6. The next one, we apply the blue accent number 1 fill color for the cell B3 to E3. And we need to find blue in here, and that's about blue accent number 1. The next one, we apply white background number 1 from color. The next one, account H out of it A to E. And this is the answer for number 6. Next, we enter the work total in the cell A number 7. Now, we need to enter a sum function at B number 7 to calculate about B4 to B6. So we use autofill to copy the formula to the cell C7 to E7. And now we need to apply the total cell style at A number 7 to E number 7. And we need to find about total. And this is the answer for number 7. Number 8, we need to insert a 2D pie chart only for on by in here. So I will select about this one. And now we go to insert, go to recommended chart. So on charts in here. And they want to apply the pie chart. So here is about 2D pie chart in here. And now we need to change the chart title on by sales by location. The next one, we need to hide the chart legend. Let's see about this one, and we deselect. The next one, we need to display the chart label using about data code out options. So we select this one, go in here, data code out, and we need to move the chart in a bit below the cell data in here. And that's the answer for number 9. Now we go to number 10. Number 10, we need to insert 2D cluster column chart to show the cell for each time in here. That means we will highlight all the table, and we go to insert, go to this one, and then we go to all charts in here, and we select about column. And in this one, they want to show all the locations for each type of popcorn for each location. That is about this one in here. Number 11, we need to change the chart title. So for this one, July sales by popcorn time in here. B, we need to apply the style number 8. We select about the chart, and we need to find style number 8. And that is about this one. If necessary, we need to move the chart is a bit to the pie chart, and the top of the chart are aligned. So we move like this. So I will select this one, Control key, go to this one, and we go to about shape format, go to align top in here. So that you can see that they are in the same. The first thing we need to deselect about this one because we select the chart, so we select on the cell. And now we go to file in here, go to print, and we need to go to base setup. Now we follow the instruction. We need to change for orientation to this one in here. And the next one, we change the printing scale to on column in the single page. That is about this one. And you can see that they will print the paper like this. Number 13, we go back in here. The first thing they want to calculate the total cost of the loan. So that means we go to the loan in here. want to change the color of the loan worksheet blue as send this one, we type about buy new truck. In the cell B number 10, we enter the formula in here that is about if function. So we buy it if the money payment for the truck loan in the cell B number 5 is less than B number 7 and B number 9 here. So B number 5 is less than B number 7. So we write about buy it. Don't forget about the for in here. The next one, if this one false, is pass. Number 14, we go to Tyson store in here. And now we select the cell A number 2 to A32, A number 2 to A32 in here. We apply the short date format. The next one, in the cell F number 2, enter the formula to calculate the daily total in dollars in here. Multiply the values in the daily total. So we have F of number 2 in here. So we have this one. That's it on daily total number of sold multiplied by chain number 1. That is this one in here. And we apply absolute reference. Enter. And now we copy the formula. So we do this way. And that's the answer for B. About C, we enter the formula using about if function. So we have if in here. So the logical test, string number 2, this type test if the daily sale was greater than or equal to the daily sale goals in here. So that means we want to compare this one with this one. And we press about F4 in here. And this one they show about yes. And the next one is no. And then we press enter. About D, we need to create the define name for daily sale for cell F2 to F32. So we highlight this one. And we select about define name. And the name in here is about daily sales. And we select OK. And this is for D. Now, in the cell tree number 3 in here, we enter the formula using about the name range that is about daily sale to calculate the average. And we use daily sale in here. The next one, we use about mean. And we use daily sales. And the maximum. Number 15, we go to online sales. That is this one in here. For this one, we need to format the sale data using the table style, bold table style line 12 in here. So we highlight on the table. And we need to go format as table in the home in here. And we need to find line 12. That is this one in here. And we select this one. My table has headers. means we need to sort the data in the alphabet. So that should be about item here. So from A to Z. The next one about the style, we just select MD. We select this one and we need to find MD in here. And now you can save and upload the file with the name in here. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.